The vibrant Big Apple never fails to amaze its residents with its charm. In the heart of this city lies a top-notch student accommodation, E59th Street. The property offers shared apartments with cozy beds, clean bathrooms, and a designated study area. It takes care of mundane tasks by providing weekly housekeeping and laundry services. The high-speed Wi-Fi makes sure that you never miss out on your favorite TV shows. Also, you do not have to worry about the utility bills as they are covered by the rent of the property. When it comes to the location, E59th Street lies in close proximity to reputed colleges such as Barrage College and CUNY Hunter College. Watch the latest release at Cinema 123 by Angelica or satisfy your burger cravings at McDonald's. Are you planning to explore the city and visit the Statue of Liberty or Brooklyn Bridge? Get easy transport options from the Manhattan Tram Station or the East 60th Street and 2 Avenue bus stop. It goes without saying that the E59th Street offers everything that you can ask for an NOAC. Therefore, stop looking any further and secure your room from amberstudent.com.